Hello everyone and welcome to another HWM Caterham video. Today I'm here to bring you this lovely 360S in the S3 format. Now this was brand new as of last year. Customer had a change of heart and we've essentially brought it back into stock. It's covered just shy of 200 miles. It's got plenty of PPF on there and it's been very well spec'd. So let's talk around this vehicle together and see some of its cool features. So this 360 has been finished in Nardo Grey and has the double matte stripes, which does look really, really well with the rest of the black on the car. So you've also got the black pack on the headlights, windscreen, aero filler cap, and the carbon stone guards. Some of the optional specification on this car includes the LED daytime running lights and the clear lens pack, and you can see it does look really, really good in this format. So moving on down to the side of the Caterham, you can see that it's finished on the 15-inch Orcus anthracite alloys wrapped on the Toyo R888R tyres. You've also got the side exit exhaust, which is a standard fit on this car, and the stripes do follow it down to the side panels as well. Comes with the full doors and the full hood as well, and has PPF, which I'll mention in the next clip. So onto the rear, you can see obviously that the double stripes do finish along the rear basket. It does look really nice, and you do have the standard LED rear lights, and again condition wise it's presented fantastically. This car does also come with a lot of PPF. The rear wings are covered, so the front, the bonnet, the scuttle and the nose cone, as well as the headlight bulbs. So you join me now in the interior of the 360 and it's a really nice place to be sat in. This one does come with the optional lowered floors. Some more options on this car include the Momo leather quick release steering wheel and the 4-point harness, as well as the cool optional matte pocket fitted back there. But overall condition is pretty much like new. And that brings us to the end of the video walk around on this stunning 360S S3. If you want to inquire anything more about the specification or the history of the car, then please do so by giving us a call on 01932 240 611 or click the link in the website down below. Thank you for watching.